Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem actually from MSTC coming from the CE Boards March 2026. So specifically, this came from Calculus. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Future Engineer, Ivy Isuga. And thank you so much, Lodi Cake, sa patuloy na support mo sa channel ko. And I hope you all the best, Future Engineer, and keep safe always. Okay, the problem is the cost for X table lamps is given as C of X is equal to 400 plus x plus 0.3x squared. Compute the average value of C of x for 10 to 20 lamps. So normally, kunyari hindi natin alam na calculus talaga yung subject niya, pero nilagay ko na lang. Pero under to ng MSTC mga Lodi Cakes. So siguro pag nakita kasi natin yung word na average value, ang iisipin natin is the average. So normally, ang gagawin natin, compute natin. So gamitin nyo lang yung calc function na mga calculator nyo. So let's say, ika-calc natin yung value ng C of x at x equals 10. So 400 plus 10 plus 0.3 times 10 squared. So that is 440. So that is 440. Okay, how about kapag 20 siya mga Lodi Cakes? Calc x equals 20. So that is 400 plus 20 plus 0.3 multiplied by 20 squared. So kapag kinumpute natin yung mga Lodi Cakes, that will be 540. So kapag kinumpute natin yung average, that is just, syempre add natin, divided by 2. Mga Lodi Cakes. So kapag inad natin, dinivide natin by 2, that is 490, which is mali, mga Lodi Cakes. Kasi kapag ang hinahanap natin is yung average value ng isang function, meron tayong specific formula dyan. So the average value, mga Lodi Cakes, so the average value, which is the correct formula, average value is given as 1 over b minus a. Ito yung magiging limits natin, yung 10 to 20 multiplied by the definite integral of the function, let's say for this case, c of x, evaluated from a to b. So, ganyan po siya. Hindi po siya ganito. Okay, tandaan po natin kapag nakakita kayo ng average value ng function, ito lang po yung gagamitin mo. So, therefore, that is 1 over 20 minus 10 multiplied by the definite integral of c of x. Just plug in the equation. 400 plus 0.3 x squared plus x nasa gitna, dx, evaluated from 10 to 20. So this is 1 over 10. Kapag in-evaluate natin yung definite integral, we will be getting 4,850 and divided by 10. Therefore, the average value of the cost is equal to 485. Therefore, the correct answer for this recent board problem is letter A. Hindi po siya letter B ha. So anong importante dyan, Sir IJ? Napaka-importante na kabisado natin itong average value na formula. So guys, if ever you have questions or clarifications, huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment sa comment section. And good luck nga pala sa lahat ng malapit na mag-take na boards sa civil engineering, sa electrical engineering, sa ECE, and sa mga iba pang other engineering courses. And congrats din pala sa kaibigan ko, si Engineer Junril Vistal na nakapag-top 1 sa recent mechanical engineering boards. And God bless you always, Lodi Kicks, and kita-kits tayo sa susunod na National Student Convention. And maraming salamat sa inyong mga lahat, Lodi Kicks. God bless and keep safe.